out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing this fine morning? I know. It's morning where I'm at. It's not even 6 in the morning, and here I am doing some YouTube videos, right? But man, today we got a treat for you. Merry Slickmas organic pomade is up on the channel. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this wonderful pomade. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now I got two quick housekeeping things to get out of the way before we get to the fun. If you're under the age of 13 and watching this video, please stop now. I really don't want a COPPA violation because you're watching something you probably shouldn't be watching. So thank you, have a good day. Now, for you first time viewers of the channel, I want to take one moment and talk to you. We do things really differently here on this channel, and I'm very grateful you found this video. Now, what I want you to do is take a look right down below. It's going to be popping up somewhere down there. It's going to be a little channel watermark. Go ahead, click on that thing or hover over it. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Here's why you're going to want to do it right away. I kind of attribute this channel to like a burning clown car. It's really amusing and you're not sure what you're going to see every single time, but it's going to be a fun experience. I want you along for the ride because this channel is growing and man, we're having a lot of fun. All right, guys. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into the fun. I know, right? A Johnny Slick's product I haven't reviewed yet. Sorry. Now I'm down to just 3 of them. After this video, I only have 2 more to find. But yeah, Merry Slickmas is finally here. Now, for some reason last year I passed on this. I don't know why. And I've been kicking myself ever since I got it in. It is a wonderful addition, basically, to your holiday beard routine. It really truly is. But let's get some of the other stuff out of the way and we can get into all the fun. Now, I do this in every single video, guys. If you're unfamiliar with Johnny Slicks, that's cool. You can find them at www.johnnyslicks.com. They are very proudly made out of the USA in Holly Ridge, North Carolina. Sorry, I'm trying to suppress coughing this morning. They are 100% veteran owned, they are 100% organic, and they are 100% accredited by the Triple B. Now, to back this up a moment, the veteran owned. Both Johnny and his partner Nick Comalazos are former United States Marine Corps. So Semper Fi, Devil Dogs. I love what you're doing over there. Keep kicking ass. Chesty Puller's proud of you. And the Triple B, well, it's the Better Business Bureau. So Johnny Slicks, to my knowledge, is the only Marine Corps owned, beard care, skin care, hair care, 100% organic beard care, skin care, hair care. That's 100% accredited by the Better Business Bureau. That's a hell of an accomplishment. It really truly is. Now, I found out about Johnny Slicks via Nick Comalazzo's YouTube video. He got in like a box of beard oil and other stuff, and I thought the label was interesting and everything else was cool. But I'll be honest, I completely forgot about it. I did, until I saw a Facebook ad, and I went, why does that sound familiar? Clicked on it, saw Nick commenting, and I went, all right, go click buy. Man, everything has been, just golden ever since. It's been kind of life-changing because my beard really loves Johnny Slick's products, and Johnny has been really available for questions and everything else, which I think is absolutely freaking cool. Now, Johnny got his start in July of 2016, but as he likes to say, he really hit it huge when he partnered up with Nick Comalazzo's in February of 2018. Now, the ingredients in this thing, I can probably do this with my eyes shut, but there you go. It's got beeswax, coconut oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, and body-safe fragrance. Johnny is very fanatical about everything that goes into his products are very safe for you to put in your beard or on your body. Go do a YouTube search for like Johnny Slick's origin story. You're going to see why. He's very brutally honest in there about what happened to him and why he created Johnny Slicks. So I think it's a really good watch. Okay. It's a 4-ounce amber jar. It's going to run you $15. Now, this is what I kind of like. That little like holly thing on the side there I think is cool, considering that's his like usual other label. So he just added that little bit for the Christmas time thing, which I think is really neat. Now, the scent profile in here, and here's the weird part. Okay, I can only pick up on a couple of these, but it's just me, and everybody picks up on stuff differently. Pine, cedarwood, citrus, clove, cinnamon, and caramel. Seriously. I easily pick up on the pine. A touch of the cinnamon and the caramel, especially when I heat it up and break it down and put it into my beard, that's when I really pick up on the caramel. But I'll be honest, I really don't pick up on the citrus or the cedar or even so much the clove. But everybody, picks up stuff differently. And I like how Johnny, puts this. Have you ever seen like The Grinch That Stole Christmas? It kind of smells just like Whoville. If you were going to attribute a smell to Whoville, it would be Merry Slickmas. So I thought that was really, really funny. I'll get to some other stuff here in a moment. I know. You go, pomade, well, that's for your hair. Well, you're 100% correct. Pomade is usually made for your hair, but with this, because of the ingredients in it, you can also use it as a beard balm. It has a very light hold, and it is one of the most conditioning, nourishing beard balms I have ever freaking used in my life. If I want to use a balm that day, I'm going to Johnny Slicks. Hands down. I really, truly am. There's been sometimes I've applied it at night for part of my nighttime routine, and, it hasn't left, big oil slicks on the pillow or anything else like that. It's an amazing experience. There we go. Early, hardly any caffeine, trying to do videos. Now, as a side distraction to get myself back on track, cool new flat cap, huh? Make sure you hit that thumbs up and show support for Boston Scally. Okay. Now, I love how on his web store, when he's breaking everything down, he tells you point blank, if you have damp hair, it's going to have less of a hold, and if you have drier hair, it's going to have more of a hold, which is cool for up here, but I will tell you, going through and doing your usual towel dry routine and getting it in, no matter what you have, if you have dry or really damp hair, you're pretty much going to have the same hold on your beard, from my experience. It's an amazing experience in your beard. I can't say that enough, but still. Okay. I've used it a bunch of times. And it's really simple. It's just like you apply beard balm. You get your thumbnail in there or your guitar pick, whatever you're going to use. Get whatever amount you need out. I just basically put it on my other hand. Now here, let me show you a little bit for demonstration purposes. Okay, we're going to use that for the little demo purpose. It breaks down pretty quick. So, you warm it up in your hands, and you're really going to hit that scent profile right away. Yeah, but I've already got other stuff in my beard, and it won't really match well, so I'm going to do like a Beard Times with Scott. Okay. Yeah. Seriously, pine. Yeah, caramel and, yeah, a little bit of cinnamon. I don't know why. I'm not picking up on the cedarwood, the citrus, or really the clove. But that's just me. Okay, so basically you get it in your beard, you work it however you want, and you groom your beard out to whatever, standard you want it for that day. That's it. That's simple on how to use, the organic pomade in your beard. Now, I know I'm a little bit frazzled this morning, a little bit off track. It is early, didn't sleep, well, and I wanted to get this video shot. So I'm just going to do the whole wonderful wrap-up like I usually do. So I want to know this is the best part of the video for me, questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I want to know, have you used Johnny Slicks? Do you have successes with Johnny Slicks? Do you have failures with Johnny Slicks? Have you used Merry Slickmas? Same thing, failures, successes, everything. Your comments are really great. Your feedback's incredible because I want to know how you feel, because I've made no lie about it whatsoever. Look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care. If I didn't say that earlier, you're going to see a lot from Johnny Slicks in there. I really like what he's doing. I really like his products, and I really like how they work in my beard. Now, with all that fun stuff being said, for you first-time viewers of the channel, once again, I'm going to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for viewing this video. I really appreciate the time you gave me today, and I really hope to get more of it from you. So, if you don't want to subscribe, that's cool, but you should. You really should, because we're growing, we're having fun. I want you along. Alright, now, for you first-time viewers of the channel who didn't subscribe at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, why not? Here's a great chance for you. We believe in redemption on the channel, and here's your second chance at it. Look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon or the notification icon, whatever you want to call it, that's right next to it. Why? Great question. because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up, you know where, right over there. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Johnny Slick's Merry Slickmas Organic Pomade. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.